Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Tarrant County in north central Texas, northern Johnson County in north central Texas, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Crowley, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include South Fort Worth, Arlington, Mansfield, Burleson, Benbrook, Crowley, Forest Hill, Kennedale, Everman, Joshua, Rendon, Edgecliff Village, Pantego, Dalworthington Gardens, Cross Timber, Dalworthington Gar, Edgecliff and Briar Oaks. This includes the following interstates. Interstate 35 west between mile markers 31 and 46. Interstate 20 between mile markers 434 and 448. Interstate 820 between mile markers 34 and 35. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.